am Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys one of my favorite healthy snacks. This is the No-Cow protein bar, and I got it in the flavor cookies and cream, which is super delicious, by the way. I eat these probably once or twice a day as my snack. I love that these make me think that I'm eating a candy bar, but I'm eating a vegan protein bar with 22 grams of plant protein in it. So I love these. I love that they're pre-packaged. I can just toss them into my lunch bag, backpack, gym bag, whatever, and just go, and I have my protein on the go. And I also love that it's vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free, all things that I look for in my nutrition. This is what it looks like when you open it up. And let me take a bite. So I love these, and I'm going to continue to eat them. And that's my point of view.